Hey guys, well, it's another riding season now, so you know, if I'm not droning, if I'm not riding the Beast, if I'm not upgrading the Beast, I'm bringing you various videos. And today I have a tip for you how to basically pack rain jacket and rain trousers into one piece without using extra bags. Before we will start, shout out to the slingmods.com guys that helped me a lot during the winter season to customize a bike, to put new lights, so be more visible, more safe, and definitely much cooler on the street. So in case you have a slingshot, in case you have a CanAm Spyder or bYke, visit their website. Really cool guys and great shop. In case you're riding with Revit, you might get these extra bags. The problem for me is the Revit trousers, they're quite big and fancy. So it's quite difficult to put it in there, and I'm always struggling with it. So that was my thing, is like I was searching how to make it a little bit easier for me. Same thing goes for the jacket. Jacket is a little bit thinner, but still quite a hustle, especially if you are way like me. The bags are still the same, and the jacket is just big for the bag itself. So instead of this, I'll show you how to basically put raincoat and rain jacket into one package like this. You don't have to use this red cheap solution. It's from skis, so during the winter time I'm putting it on skis. During the summertime I'm using it for the rain jacket. So how to do it? For this demo I'm using these cheap trousers. They're a little bit thinner, it's just easier to manipulate with them. That's the reason why I'm using them. And for the top, I'm always using the Revit jacket because I'm not selling you anything. It's just the thing that I'm going with for more than 5 years. What you need to do is put the trousers on the bottom and jacket on the top. Fold it this way, just to have it, like you do with t-shirts sometimes. And then all you need to do is just move it like this on the top of the trousers. Trousers goes over the jacket. What I usually do, I just try to fold it maybe twice, so the end product is a little bit more bulky, not so thin and long. So I prefer to have it this way. Put a trousers on the top, a little bit like this, trying to remove all the air. Now the top trouser or top piece goes on the side, so top trouser goes on the side. All I need to do now is just, to fold it like this, try to remove as much air as possible. It's super easy, going all the way to the bottom. And the main trick and the whole video what it's about is just to move the trouser across or over the jacket and the remaining part. This way you have nice one bag. Don't be surprised by the size. My size, it's a whale size, so trousers and jacket is a little bit bigger. Usually this is just a jacket or just a trouser. If you compare it, I'm thinking I'm getting the advantage. There are definitely pros and cons. The pro for me is just how easy it is, and I can just, I have, instead of 2 bags, I have just one that I need to struggle with. The disadvantage can be in case you would like to remove only a jacket because it's windy outside or whatever. You might find it a little bit uncomfortable, but for me it's still a win situation to have it like this. Guys, hopefully you like it. In case you would like to see how to remove and box from your bike or from your helmet just using the water, have a look on the video. I think it can be useful from time to time. Thanks for watching, and remember, always have fun.